Bonjour à tous! Today we are going to have a look at another French conjugation, that is boire. Boire, that is to drink. So first of all, let's have a look at the subject pronouns. The subject pronouns that we have in French are je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il and elle. It's important to remember that the difference between tu and vous, the first one, tu is the informal way of saying you, whereas vous is the formal way of saying you. And the difference between on and nous, on is the informal way of saying we, or it's often used in the spoken French, whereas nous is the formal way, it is used often in the written French. Alright, so the verb that we are going to have a look at today, that is boire, that means to drink. So basically it signifies, like whenever we have to talk about I drink, you drink, he drinks, she drinks, we drink, you drink, they drink, for that. So the verb will change according to the change in subject pronoun. In case of je, in the I form, that is, it will be je bois, tu bois, il boit, elle boit, on boit. So if you notice, the pronunciation is same in all these cases. In case of je and tu, the pronunciation and spelling both are same. It is je bois and tu bois. In case of il, elle and on, the spelling is changing. We are adding a T instead of S, but the pronunciation remains the same. It is il boit, elle boit and on boit. Nous buvons, vous buvez, ils boivent and elles boivent. Now let's have a look at few examples. So if I want to say I drink coffee, it's going to be je bois du café. You drink juice, tu bois du jus. He drinks beer, il boit de la bière. She drinks wine, elle boit du vin. We drink hot chocolate, on boit du chocolat chaud. We drink tea, nous buvons du thé. You drink milk, vous buvez du lait. They drink lemonade, ils boivent de la limonade. They drink water, elles boivent de l'eau. Très bien. Just in case if you're wondering that why I have used different articles over here, for example, at some place it is du café, at the other place it is de la bière. So why the difference? Why du, de la? What's the difference between all these? So click on the link above and you will be good to go. You'll understand why I have used these different articles with different nouns. Alright, if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!